I'm going to walk you through how you can take an existing Jamboard template and modify it to make it your own and then share it in your Google Classroom. So I'm going to click here on Jamboard templates. It's going to populate with a Google Doc full of different templates that you can modify. So I am going to scroll down and choose Open Middle Jamboard for Division 1. So this is going to open in a read only or a view only. So what I want to do before I can edit is, you'll notice right here, view only. I'm going to click on the three dots, make a copy. I'm going to call this grade 1 January Jamboard. So this is going to be the math that I'm going to have my grade 1s do the first week back in January when we are online. So now once it opens, I will be able to fully edit and make it my own so that it will fit the context for my students. So one of the great things with the Jamboard now is that this is fully movable. So meaning you'll notice here, adding within 10, the students are able to drag and drop. So from this point, I'm looking at this. Let's say I've gone through all of these. This is a very big Jamboard, so I would not assign it all. So what I can do, click on the arrow here. Now I can see all of them. I just want to assign the first 3. So I'm going to simply click the 3 dots, delete, 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 and delete. So now I have a Jamboard that just has the 3 that will be nice and manageable for my students. I've called it Grade 1 January Jamboard. Going into my classroom and click classwork, create. I'm doing an assignment. I'm going to call this math, add, go into my Google Drive. It's simply going to be in my recent because I was just working on it. So there's my grade 1 January, click, insert. I can type instructions if I'd like. Going to ensure I change this to ungraded, no due date. I'll assign it to my January online math. This part here is crucial. Students can view. No, I would like to make a copy for each student. And I can set a time for it, schedule to assign, or I can simply hit assign. And now it will be viewable for my students on their stream as well as in their assignments. Just to double check, I'm going to pop into a classroom here for one of my students. I'm going to hit classwork. January, I can see that my teacher has just assigned the math for me. Now I can go ahead. So this is the student view. View assignment, and here is the Jamboard that my teacher has just assigned. So now your students would be able to interact with the math by dragging and dropping to show their understanding of equality. Then they can go ahead when they're done and hit turn in, and that will show up in your Google Drive classroom.